Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm just so super duper excited to do this DIY Gladiator Sandal video for you guys because I just swear by Gladiator Sandals. They just make an entire outfit look super duper stylish and they just spice up the entire outfit. And usually Gladiator Sandals can cost you from $30 to $50 in affordable stores like H&M, Zara, Forever 21, and if you go to some designer stores they can cost you a hell lot of money. And if you wanted to know how to create that in less than $3, just $3, then watch this video to know how to create them. And you can just look super a bomb with these Gladiator sandals. So if you wanted to know how to create them, then don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to my channel before we get into the video. And now, lift up, let's get into it.
First, you need a flip-flop to do these Gladiator sandals. These are super duper cheap flip-flops which hardly cost me like $1. And you need some rhinestones to just dress them up. I choose white and black rhinestones for this. Then you need some straps. I prefer elastic straps because they could just fit into your leg perfectly and they just don't glide down. And then you need a hot glue gun, or you can just use any firm glues. And I'm using this glue stick because I'm using a hot glue gun. And now let's start. So first I'm applying my hot glue on top of the band and I'm going over with my rhinestone. So this is the biggest rhinestone in the package that I got, so I'm just having it in the middle of it. And then I'm going to go over with the smaller version of the white rhinestone beside them. So I'm just cleaning up the edge whichever left over from the hot glue guns. And then I'm going over with the black rhinestone. So I'm just going to follow this step: white, black, white, black, white, black. And once I reach nearly the bending side of the flip-flops, I'm going to continue with 3 white rhinestones. Because this is just a random design, you know, I just came up with the idea, so you can just do however you want them to be. And here's the flip-flop ready with some embellishment on it. So now we are actually going to move in to see how to actually make them as a Gladiator sandal. So first cut off the band according to the size that you want it to be and according to the length that you want it to be. Because some of them prefer ankle length straps and some of them prefer thigh high strap. I prefer thigh high strap, so I just went over as that. So you can just measure according to the size that you want it to be and then cut them into 4 equal parts for 2 pairs of flip-flops. So you can see I'm applying the hot glue gun to the flip-flop band and I'm attaching the strap on it. So this will make sure the strap really holds tightly to the band of the flip-flop. And I'm just going over to make sure everything holds tight. And this is how it looks on the both sides. Let them dry for at least 1 hour so that they dry really nice or really firmly. And here your Gladiator sandals are ready. They hardly take even 1 hour, which is super amazing. So if you don't want the embellishment there, I don't even think that they would take even 10 minutes. So you can just go ahead and do them by yourself. So I hope you guys benefit from this video, and that's all for now. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.